good afternoon. We welcome you to the Kahnawake Sports Complex for this Mohawks Super Bingo presentation of Kahnawake Minor Hockey. I'm Brandon Bordeaux. Please like and subscribe if you are new to our channel. Today we have the St. Martin Blizzard taking on the Kahnawake Mohawks in Novice 4 action. The Blizzard wearing white with red and blue trim, playing left to right, and the Mohawks in the orange with white and a shade of black trim. They'll be playing from right to left. Let's meet our starting goaltenders. First for the Blizzard, Yannick Waugh getting the call in goal, and Corson Marquis in goal for the Mohawks. My name's Brandon Bordeaux. Thank you very much for joining us once again. Game one of a doubleheader coming up later on today. We will be bringing you President's Cup coverage as the U15B Mohawks take on the Il Perot Rivier number 2. That is the only LHTO team to beat them during the course of the season, albeit that was in preseason action. So like we saw yesterday, what's going to happen is it's a minute-and-a-half shifts. And after 90 seconds, the teams will change. The Mohawks have 6. The Blizzard have 5. Or no, they should have more than that. I think they got 7. They had 7 on my sheet. I'm not sure how many they actually have. Present, I think they got a full squad today. And Sophia Zarboni on the ice to take, she's on the wing here. Nathan Garceau going up at center for the Blizzard. Sophia's father and I were really good buddies back in high school, and it's always a pleasure to see these years later as the Blizzard control the opening draw. Backhander towards the goal is blocked in front of the Kahnawake cage and picked up by Ortega Rice, 78 in orange. A centering feed out in front that hits a skate. Blizzard, by the way, playing game 2 of a back-to-back. They just finished their game earlier against Il Perot. A shot comes in, and that's stopped by the netminder, Corson Marquis, as the Mohawks play this one down the ice. Obviously no icing, and whenever there's a goal scored, it's like basketball. You basically just inbound the ball and then play keeps going. Here comes Nathan Garceau, and that pass fails to connect with the intended target, who is getting free in front. That was Dolly Goodleaf, 77 in orange. Scott Berwick, the head coach of this Kahnawake team, alongside Clint Goodleaf, as that'll just roll on. And what happens here is it's basically like a tie-up in possession in basketball, except when the goalie freezes, the puck always goes to the defense, and then they basically kind of inbound the ball from behind the net. I'm a basketball coach, so I'm kind of using this basketball terminology, but you know what I mean. Garceau lost the puck, and the Mohawks come back. Turned over as Aiden DeCare could not get a shot away. And away come the Blizzard. Here's a shot. That won't hit the net. Corson Marquis, who Coach Scott Berwick told me before the game we're going to have a penalty change, is the backbone of this team. And there we go, our first change. Two players come off for the Mohawks, 3 players come off for the Blizzard. Like we seen yesterday when the Novice 3 Mohawks only had 5, nobody is going to be complaining about a lack of playing time today. And they do a face-off to the left of the goal. That's not something we saw yesterday. Shot hit the side of the net. Picked up behind the Kahnawake goal by Dolly Goodleaf, and she headmans this up the center ice. Or the middle of the ice, really. And the Blizzard come back. Raphael Clément. And sent towards the goal. Waugh will leave it there for number 7, Raphael Clément. Or that's number 6, sorry. Eli Massé. Goodleaf gets one up the ice, and that's picked off. And a big collision out in front of that St. Martin goal. Massé. And I know it's Beauharnois St. Martin, but because they're the Blizzard, I'm just calling them St. Martin because of simplicity. Dolly Goodleaf. Lost it, and then we had a leaning tower of Pisa fall down. Garceau sends one to the net, and that's stopped by Marquis. Got it with the stick. I believe we've got about 20 seconds left in this shift before the teams will change again. Knuckle puck won't hit the target, and the Mohawks scoop it up. Here is Goodleaf trying to headman this. overskated. Picked back up by the Mohawks and played back at the St. Martin's end of the ice. And the Blizzard get it out of danger. Goodleaf trying to track it down. That's 70 Bentley Deschamps. Garceau comes in and shoots this one through the blue paint. Nobody home for St. Martin. Massey off the ricochet, puts this one in the corner, and now, once again, it is time for a shift change. We have 15:50 left, and the Mohawks will have a face-off coming up to the left of Marquis. And here is the aforementioned Sophia Zarboni taking the draw. Blizzard lining up with 3 in front of the Mohawks cage. Zarboni trying to track it, and the Mohawks come away with it. Sent towards the goal, that's blocked. And a rebound followed up and poked in by Emerson Paul, 79 in orange. Emerson, whose brother Jacob scored a huge goal in that U13A game against Eau Perot last week. A short-handed tally, but watch out, here come the Blizzard. A wrister, and Marquis punches it aside. Follow-up chance, Marquis got it again. Open net, score! And it is Zarboni who gets St. Martin on the board. And like we say, it's like basketball, you inbound it. And now a turnover in front of the Mohawks net. And some collisions. At this level, you've got to remember, nobody's actually trying to hit somebody else. It's just incidental contact all the time. As the Mohawks now bring it back. Paul trying to track it. And Ortega Rice is on it for the Mohawks. Behind her own goal. Has a look. Knocked off stride, and the Blizzard come back. A shot. Ricochets, hit a skate, back out in front, and that's patted aside by the Tendy. Marquis, who now kicks it unintentionally back into the high slot. A wrister hits somebody in the back of the leg. I think that shot actually glanced off of Anthony Vincent, and a backhander comes in, saved by Raw, and that will lead to another line change. And don't forget, they played basically 2 separate periods. So the first period's going to end in 13 and a half minutes. And then they're going to have a really quick pause for the cause, and we'll be back. There's no breaks here in novice hockey. This is our second game doing novice. We did the novice 3s yesterday, of course, out in Huntington. And that's the reason why I'll go to Huntington, because I had a doubleheader. I'm just kidding there, Huntington fans. I've started to warm up to your arena. Tardif has a look. Gets a shot away. That goes wide of the target. And Rice picks it up. Ortega Rice in pursuit of the puck. Garceau lost it. And it's sent back into Kahnawake territory, where Aiden Decare lost it and lost his balance after the fact. Garceau in after the puck, trying to poke it free. And that clearing attempt hit a Kahnawake Ornu, and then one of the Blizzard players lost their edge. That's Garceau fighting for that, along with $77 Goodleaf. A shot comes in. Marquis to save! Oh, and he better go down. Marquis playing stand-up a la Kirk McLean, but it's not always the safest bet. Sent to an opposite corner where Garceau is on it. Garceau lost his balance, and here comes Dolly Goodleaf. Goodleaf with Rice, and a 2-on-1. Goodleaf shoots, and that is blocked by a back-checking Elaine Tardif. Silas White pins it back behind the net. Tardif, and there's a goal on the other end by Shadagee. That's it, I'm calling both games. Or not. Back to the action here. Out in front of the net, poked away by Marquis. And that will do it. Time for a line change. 11:55 to go here in this first period. St. Martin leading the Mohawks by a score of 1-0. Game 2 of our doubleheader comes up over in Vaudreuil. That'll be 6:15. The Bantam B Mohawks going at it with the Eau Perot Riverier #2. The winner advances to the quarterfinals of the President's Cup. The loser is Agano. Do or die tonight. Don't forget that Riverier team, the only LHTO team to beat the Mohawks this season, albeit that was a preseason game. Garceau sends it around the horn. Back to get it is Massey. Massey's shot hit a leg. Karen's out in front. And Marquis not sure where it went. But he did kick it aside. And it comes back up to Eli Massey. Massey a shot. And he couldn't get that one by. The Kahnawake on attack. Sent towards the St. Martin goal. Follow-up chance. Backhander sent wide of the net. That was Aiden DeCare, 71 with the opportunity. And now he sends it over to an open wing. Nobody home in orange. Massey sends one up to the open, or the top of the slot. And that's deflected away. Good back check by Dolly Goodleaf, 77 in orange. Turnover. And a shot won't hit the net. 10:25 left to go in this first period. Blizzard 1, Mohawks no score. Here in this LHTO matchup. Sent further along. Silas White in on the forecheck. He collides with Garceau, and Nathan Garceau comes out of the pile with the puck. Going up, Garceau, full speed. Garceau overskating the puck. Here's an opportunity, that's fought off. A rebound! Oh, Marquis! As the first period comes to a conclusion, the Peacekeepers are only 2 minutes away, and I'd love to report a robbery. Oh, Corson Marquis keeping this baby at 1-0. And a face-off will come up to the left of the Kahnawake cage. Sophia Zarboni taking the draw. She has the only goal of this game. Zarboni, a shot off the draw was blocked, and it Karen's out in front. Marquis, what a stop, a rebound. Marquis, 2 saves, follow-up chance, and that'll go wide of the target. Oh, and did one of the goals. I think Silas White just accidentally laid out his own teammate. It's turned over. Here he is. White trying to feed it out in front. That's broken up. And one Kahnawake Nonu back. Tardif comes in and shoots. Marquis to save. A rebound. Zarboni. And that one's blocked away by the glove hand of Corson Marquis. We have a Corson at this level and a Corbin at the other level. That's U11C. And future of Kahnawake goaltending looks bright here. Shot out in front. Oh, Marquis! Leaving his mark on this one. Pass out in front. Hit a leg. Bentley Deschamps in the corner. Trying to headman that. Turned over. And the Blizzard come out. Here's a shot off of the back leg of Talbot, or Tardif. 29. Massey out in front. And Tardif turns, fires, rolling on net, and that'll be swallowed up by Corson Marquis. And that will mean a line change with 7:57 remaining here in the first period. The Blizzard lead by 1. Goodleaf taking the draw. Goodleaf and White up there, along with Rice and DeCare, 71. Face-off won by Garceau on the second effort. Batted up off the wall. Goodleaf trying to battle with Garceau. Garceau turned around, though, by Dolly Goodleaf. She flips one up to Rice. What's it again? Rice coming in, and she couldn't get a shot away as she was tied up by Rafael Clement on the back check. Poked out the wall. Rice turns and fires and can't get a shot away. Back up comes St. Martin. Clement turned it over. Rice trying to send it around the horn. Good play. Don't throw the puck in front of your own net. Don't ever do it. Tried to play it around the horn. Mohawks turned it over. Picked up by the Blizzard. A shot from a sharp angle was blocked, and St. Martin gathers it. Shot blocked by Rice. Follow-up opportunity. Comes out in front. Oh, what a save by Marquis again. As as he slid across and took one away from Claymont. Back come the Mohawks, and that shot hits a skate. 6:20 to go in the first. 1-0 Blizzard leading. DeCare on the puck. Backhands it. Trying to get a little bit of a cycle game going, it looks like. Banged off the ball back behind the St. Martin goal. And nearly took it away. Instead, the Blizzard come back. Garceau comes in, and that means saved by the bell as we're getting under 6 minutes here in the opening stanza. 1-0 Blizzard leading. Face-off coming up to the left of Horst and Markley. Comes out in front. Open opportunity. Markley says no. Puck on edge. And he's got it. Oh. He's having himself quite the hockey game, isn't he? Mohawks just got to press and try to get an equalizer. Still plenty of time. Turned over. Goodleaf trying to find the handle. Thrown out to Zarboni for St. Martin. And Zarboni's clearing attempt hit Deschamps. And the puck rolls off the stick of White. Well, that was Emerson Paul, 79. Getting my nines and fives. Oh, wow. Thank goodness Dolly Parton sings 9 to 5 and not 9s to 5s. Mohawks scoop it up. Here's a wrister right on, and that'll be swallowed up by the starting netminder and the star of this one so far, Horst and Markley. Played up the ice by Aiden DeCare. 4:30 to go here in the first. And the Blizzard make a couple of moves. Here's a wrister that's blocked. Puck on edge. Mohawks couldn't clear it. And the Mohawks trying to break out. Turned over. A backhander blocked in front of the net by DeCare. Shot off of a leg. Loose in the front of the net. And DeCare got a stick in the leg. Poked away by Markley. In the front. And Corset's got it again. Three minutes and 45 seconds to go. And away come the Mohawks. White trying to break through the double team, cannot. There's a chance, and it goes wide of the net. Emerson Paul with the opportunity. Paul and Rice close in the same vicinity. We're going to have to spread out a little as the Blizzard come back. Garceau moving on in, and he got taken off the puck nicely by Bentley Deschamps, 70 in orange, who does a spinorama. Might not have looked too pretty, but it did get the job done. And away come the Blizzard. Back into Kahnawake territory. Look out. Garceau! Save! And that'll be swallowed up by the Mohawks handy. Two minutes and 30 seconds to go. Mohawks look to get rid of the puck. White. Silas White. Garceau lost his footing along the boards. Picked up by Claymont. And Deschamps gets rid of it. 2 minutes left to go here. Now wants it Rodriguez Rice in pursuit of the puck. Nearly forced a turnover, and then Zarboni tied her up. Deschamps scores! He beats the buzzer! And then does a world-class celebration. Nice little backhander by Deshay. Slides it under one, ties this baby up at one. What's it? Ortega Rice behind her own goal. Turned over. Arista pinballs into the opposite corner where Rice is the first one on it. She tried to play it up. Banged off the boards. And it's turned over. Look out, nobody back for the Mohawks, but it's going to be chipped wide of the net by Anthony Vincent. Or Vincent. Out in front, broken up. Rice had the puck stuck in his skates, picked up by the Blizzard, and St. Martin changing on the fly here. Look out. A couple of players colliding. Rice forces the issue nearly, picked up by the Blizzard. DeCare gets rid of it. And we're down to the final 20 seconds of this first period. Oh, Zarboni tripped over the blue line. Mohawks trying to pick it up. Rice sent one towards the net. Tardif the intercept. Here comes Tardif. Tardif moves in. Scores! He beats the buzzer. And that is going to do it. Halftime has emerged. St. Martin 2, Kahnawake 1. Oh, we're right back at you. That was a 30-second long intermission. The St. Martin Blizzard leading this one 2-1 over the Kahnawake Mohawks in this Novice 3 matchup. The second half will be 20 minutes. The first half, we mentioned 23 or 24. So I believe every 2 minutes here at the Plex, that's what they do. Huntington yesterday was every 90 seconds. But they changed it. I like that more. I always think of the WWE Royal Rumble every 90 seconds. Garceau moves in. Shoots, and he finds a hole! Nathan Garceau, 3-1 Blizzard. And it's time for the Mohawks to break out here. DeCare. Tardif sent one towards the Kahnawake goal and that missed. 19 minutes left to go. Garceau along the wall. Garceau. And that'll be played off of a skate. Nearly turned over. And Garceau is back for the Blizzard. Garceau lost it. Hall shoots. Saved by Waugh. Turned over as DeCare forced the issue. Silas White and Ortega Rice are the two Mohawks that aren't on the ice right now, and this one's going to roll on net and force Corson Markley to freeze this one. 18 minutes left to go. Nathan Garceau back for the Blizzard. And that means change time. Face off won by the Mohawks. Hall lost it. And Garceau's on it for the Blizzard. Garceau one-on-one with Rice, and Ortega Rice stopped it. Rice in the corner. Has a look. And she's taking her time. Makes a good play around the horn. Don't throw it in front of that net. Garceau. As you mentioned, Scott Berwick, the head coach of this team. We'll get back to Scott in just a second. Part of that Billings team back in 2003 that won the provincial championships, and they were honored on their 20th anniversary. Team won back in 2003. Coached by Coach Swan. Back from the Blizzard. Well, my first year at Billings, my second year at Billings in grade 8, I was a third string goalie. Played 0 games. Had a better career as a basketball player and a lacrosse player. Garceau. Wraparound try, that stuff. Thrown towards the net. That pinball's off of a skate. Garceau turning. Rice challenging. Trying to make the play. And it's broken up nicely by the Mohawks. White tied up. And White gets knocked down as him and Massey collided. And that will bring this shift to a change. 3-1 St. Martin with under 15 and a half running now. Sorry, under 16 running time left. And now the Mohawks have 6 players on the ice. Raphael Clément. White. Dipsy Doodle Danley nearly lost his balance and it's sent wide of the Mohawks net. Off the side of the goal. Picked back up by the Blizzard. And that was broken up by Rice. Somebody lost something out there. I think Coach Berwick lost his pencil. It's only getting back onto the bench now. And we have a Kahnawake down on the ice. And we're going to stop play. He's back up now, it looks like. Silas White back up on a vertical after losing his balance. "14 minutes and 20 seconds left to go here. The Blizzard leading the Mohawks 3-1. And the face-off coming up to the right of the Kahnawake goal. And there's a goal scored on the other side, in case you couldn't tell. Shadaghi and Beaujoy going at it on that end. Rice behind their own net, and that will mean a quick change. So they're doing it every 2 minutes. So right now it's at 14, but obviously the time's going to keep running even while both teams are in the process. So I guess a minute and a half seems fair enough for each shift. Face off won by the Blizzard. And the Mohawks play this one, but not up. Rice in pursuit of the puck, knocked it back to the corner. Tardif, who's got one of the Blizzard's goals, takes a shot towards the net, that's blocked. And a rebound, Tardif picks it back up, turns and fires. Marquis the save, and he gobbles up the loose puck. One minute away from a change. A lot of time in between now and then. A lot of things happen at this level of hockey in 1 minute. Stolen puck. Ooh, and White took a tumble at the high slot. Shot back into Kahnawake territory. DeCare trying to scoop it up. Aiden DeCare. Can't corral it. And the Blizzard take it away. And Goodleaf's on it. Dolly Goodleaf. Trying to throw it out in front. Fanned on the pass. A rebound hits the back of the net as Goodleaf's second try almost made it through. White in pursuit of the puck. Bangs it off the boards. And away come the Blizzard. Turned over nearly. DK would have been home free. Big stop and time rebound score. Tardif knocks this one out of midair. And he's made it 4-1. Ilon Cardiff's got his second of the game, and that's made it a 4-1 contest here with 11:40 left to go. And a goal! Look out, Wall was sleepwalking. And didn't realize the puck was there until it was about a few feet in front of him. Dream, dream, dream. As St. Martin takes it away. You'll never have to hear me sing again either, I swear. Although I do it once a broadcast. Back come the Mohawks. Emerson Paul not able to shoot that one in. Here's a wrister! And that is blocked, and it caroms just wide. That was Deshay fishing for goal number 2 here as the Blizzard bring it back in. Here comes St. Martin, 2-0! Marquis the save, a rebound! He's got it again! 2 huge stops in tight by the Kahnawake tender. And the Mohawks trying to get started. Marquis the save. Goodleaf goes sliding into the boards. And it's stolen. Deshay lost his edge trying to get a shot away. Follow-up chance, and the Mohawks not able to hit it the net. To the point it comes. DK fires, and that puck bounces wide of the net. Puck was on edge. 10 seconds left to go until we get a change. Off the side of the net. And that is blocked. 2 saves by Wine, tight on DK. And we will have a change. .47 to go. As they rugby scrum in front of the St. Martin goal. Turnaround shot does not work. Blizzard come back. 2-0. Markey to stop, and it trickles through the blue paint. Walks the tightrope on the goal line, but it never crosses. Garceau behind his own net. Rice behind her own goal. What's it on again? Rice has a look and plays it off the boards. Designated Kahnawake defenseman. Oh, and Deshay took a stumble as he tripped over the puck. Looked like one of those banana peels in Super Mario Kart. Broken up by the Mohawks. Nearly. Paul trying to get away in white too, but they were not able to get there. And Rice sends this puck away. Sent out in front. Marquis has to make a save, and he does. Rebound, puck's on edge. As Tardif was bidding for the hat trick. 8:16 to go. Second half. I know it's not basketball, but they don't play 3 periods in Novice. They play 2 periods. They play 2 periods. Garceau, and that means it's time for a line change. 7:55 remaining. So Paul and Deshay are off. That'll mean Daycare, White, Goodleaf, and Rice, the 4 Kahnawake owner. Dolly Goodleaf sends it back into St. Martin territory. 7:30 left to go. Clément has time for a coffee, and he gets rid of it. Benoit coming in. Benoit, and that won't hit the net. Look out! Well, a player was in the net for the Mohawks, but no puck. Fortunately for them, as St. Martin has to regroup. Sophia Zarboni. Zarboni took a bump. Oh, and Zarboni lost her edge in the corner. 2 Kahnawake don't collide, and now it's sent back by Silas White into St. Martin territory. Out in front. Backhander wide of the target. And the Blizzard trying to make do, and Claymos, nice little spinorama, shook off Decare. White in pursuit, and he did nudge the puck far enough away to prevent an odd man rush. What's it, Ortegay Rice turning behind her own net. And that'll be shot into St. Martin territory. Final 5 seconds remaining in this shift. That's it. Shift change coming up with 6 minutes to go. Garceau taking the draw for the Blizzard against Decare. Face off won by Decare, but the Blizzard retained control. Claymont out in front. A backhanded shot was sent towards the goal, but blocked by Deschamps. Deschamps behind his own goal, trying to get rid of Raphael Claymont, but could it shake him? It's turned over. Marquis says no. .450 remaining. That means 50 seconds left in the shift. Slap shot from in tight, and Markley with the save. Back comes Decare, shooting one into Blizzard territory. Garceau shoots, and that's blocked away. Rebound! He's got that one as well. 5 seconds to go on the shift. Paul trying to pick it up. And it is time for a line change. So we're under 4 minutes left here. Zarboni getting set to take the draw. And she's going to take this against Paul. And Zarboni got it. Here's a wrister. That caroms and goes wide of the net. Picked up by the Mohawks. White couldn't get a shot away, but he did knock a Blizzard player forward in his attempts to get one to the goal. Zarboni behind her own net, looking to come back. Zarboni in alone. Marquis! You scream, I scream, we all scream for Marquis. What a save by Corsi Marquis. Is Bentley Deschamps trying that lacrosse thing? It almost looked like it. Turnover in front of the Kahnawake net. Saved by Marquis. A rebound. Caromed off 2 skates. Marquis! 15 seconds to go in the shift, and the shift coming up in the next 10 seconds will be the final shift of the game. Turnover in front of the Kahnawake goal. It is the Corson Marquis show. 2 minutes remaining. And now our final shift will take place here. Goodleaf will stay on, or come on. So it's Goodleaf, DeCare, White, and Rice. Face-off won by the Mohawks. And shot back into the Blizzard zone. St. Martin had a fifth player out there. But they brought him back to the bench. And now a 2-on-1 developing. Benoit Marquis again. As we have some extracurriculars in the corner. Ortigi Rice introducing herself to Nathan Garso as the latter took a fall. Rice. Turned over. Breakaway! And that's walked away by Marquis. Here come the Blizzard. 2-on-1. Marquis again. Back behind the goal. Turned over as DeCare now behind his own goal tries to start out. Tardif shoots off of the shin. And Garso has a look behind the net. Garso comes out in front. Garso looking, lost an edge. And the Mohawks try to pick it up. Ortigi Rice behind the horn. Nobody there for the Blizzard until now. Tardif shoots. Blocker save. A rebound. Marquis had it. And the third one tight ropes the goal line but does not cross it. Couldn't even get a fingernail over that line, and that will do it. So it'll go down in the books as a 4-1 win for the St. Martin Blizzard. That is game one of the double dip. We're going to be back with you tonight in Vaudreuil. That'll be a 6:15 start as the U15B Mohawks do battle with the Il Perot Riverier number 2. That'll be a quarterfinal matchup. Your final score, St. Martin Blizzard 4, Kahnawake Mohawks 1. I'm Brandon Bordeaux for Baby Blue Memories. On to Giwahi. Until YouTube goes extinct, which I don't think it's ever going to happen. Who knows now, right? With the World Wide Web. Until it goes extinct, man, that goes on the internet forever.